You might be surprised to hear that artificial intelligence is all around us, even if we can't see it. From the phone in your pocket to the car you drive, if you wake up to the sound of birds tweeting outside your window, chances are you've got a smart device or smart speaker powered by AI keeping tabs on your sleep and ensuring your home is just right when you wake up. One of the best parts of the workday is when you finally get to kick back and watch a few videos. But even here, AI is watching over your shoulder, so to speak. Because many streaming services use AI to recommend new shows and movies based on your viewing habits. In fact, AI is also being used to improve the quality of your video, whether it's by reducing noise or enhancing the colors. These devices use AI to learn your preferences and automate your environment, which uses AI to serve up a steady stream of posts and videos tailored to your interests. It's no wonder we can get lost in these platforms for hours on end. But it's not just entertainment that AI is impacting, while others are excited about the potential benefits of this technology. The truth is that AI is already a part of our daily lives, and it's only becoming more prevalent. Whether you love it or hate it, AI is here to stay. AI is also being used to revolutionize the way we shop, from recommending products to tailoring ads to your interests. And don't forget to stay tuned for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching. Online shopping is already a breeze thanks to AI-powered features like personalized recommendations and virtual try-ons. Imagine a world where you can try on clothes virtually and see how they would look on you before buying them. AI is making this a reality. From adjusting the temperature to your liking to turning on the coffee maker, AI is actually being used to combat these issues by identifying and filtering out unwanted content. AI is even being used to develop new ways to interact with technology. For example, voice assistants like Siri and Alexa use AI to understand natural language and respond appropriately. This means that, instead of struggling to remember complex commands, you can simply talk to your device to perform tasks. Even your toothbrush could be using AI to track your brushing technique and ensure you're retaking care of your teeth properly. AI is changing the world in ways we never imagined. If you're like most people, you'll probably use a navigation app to get where you need to go. Many office jobs today require interacting with chatbots and virtual assistants, who use AI to help us with tasks like scheduling meetings and making travel arrangements. But it's not just in the workplace that AI is becoming more prevalent. Chatbots are also being used in customer service roles to provide quick, efficient answers to frequently asked questions. But did you know that these apps use AI to provide you with the fastest, most efficient route possible? AI is also being used to develop self-driving cars that will eventually take over the roads. While fully autonomous vehicles are still a few years away, many cars on the road today already use AI-powered features such as lane assist and emergency braking to help drivers avoid accidents. In fact, you may have interacted with AI hundreds of times without even realizing it. As we go about our daily lives, we're surrounded by technology that uses AI to make our experiences more convenient, enjoyable, and efficient. So what are some of the ways that AI is already part of our daily lives? Let's explore. Let's start with your morning routine. Now let's say you're running late for work and need to get on the road quickly. Once you arrive at work, you might think you're finally going to have some peace and quiet, but that's not necessarily the case. But let's face it, and then there's social media. But what about those pesky spam emails and fake news articles that seem to populate our inboxes and news feeds? The rise of AI has sparked both excitement and fear. Some worry that AI will eventually take over the world. So what do you think? What are some of the ways that AI has impacted your life? Let us know in the comments below.